Welcome back to the Spencer Family channel. In today's video, we have a highly requested updated wash day routine featuring Elissia.
Hi guys. Table. This is hair day. Dada.
Yeah, it's a hair day. Bye. We'll be taking you through a very realistic wash day process, exactly how it is for us at home and what works for us. Shampoo, condition, detangle again. Let's get into it. Elissia's hair has already been detangled, and now we are applying shampoo generously throughout the hair. Want to massage from the root to the tip of the hair. Really get in there. We don't wash Elissia's hair on a daily basis, so when we do, you want to make sure that it's thorough. Elissia loves to help out. Here she is shampooing her own hair. For tutorial purposes, I am washing it with her standing up. Usually we are in the tub, so let's see how this works out. Apply conditioner. You can apply as much or as little as you desire. Really, I can't recommend a dime size or a quarter size amount for this part because it depends on the length of hair that your little one has or that you have. So you'll see in this next clip how much I used on this particular day. I find it very effective to detangle along the way. So here I am finger detangling. I will also go in with a wide tooth comb. I just alternate between the two to make sure it doesn't hurt, and it's done very gently and very effectively. Detangle.
Ooh. Wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Comb your back.
Comb my hair.
Till here. And go daddy. Oh, daddy, the apple? Okay.
Oftentimes, we allow the conditioner to sit for at least 10 minutes or to be desired. So while the conditioner is in the hair, we do again detangle.
I like my hair.
I like your hair.
I want black hair.
I like it.
Ow.
Ow.
Ow. Black hair.
During the wash day process, I do love to incorporate positive affirmations. I love your hair. I love my hair. I love curly hair. And so forth. As we're sectioning, it's very important to hold firm on the hair without tugging and then comb through. This way it eliminates the pain and you're not ripping the hair from roots to end. So make sure that you hold firm and then comb. Makes a world of a difference, friends.
I know. Everywhere. What's up? I'll be a shower, Daddy. I will shower.
In the next few clips, you'll see how I section off Elissia's hair using a pin. I will continue to detangle with a wide tooth comb, and then in addition, I will put loose twists all around Elissia's hair while we wait for the conditioner to set in before we rinse.
Okay. Take go.
Please take note that this is not the actual speed, this is sped up. Everything is done gently as we detangle the hair. Please pay attention to the clips that are actual speed to see the speed that you should be going in for your little one, making it a pleasurable experience altogether.
Thunder.
There you go. Show them your goldfish.
This is sister.
All right, friends. So now we've fully washed, conditioned, we've detangled with the conditioner in, we've added our loose twists. Looking good. Now snacks and chill. Set your timer for 10 minutes or more. That is completely to be desired. And then rinse. Condition. Okay, now we're going to wash.
I'm washing this.
Yeah, wash conditioner.
This is here. Bye.
All right, baby, let's wash this out. Head back. Head back for mommy. Head back. Good. Head back. On this day, I use the towel dry method. That's where I bring the towel from the roots to the tips of the hair, moving my way around and just drying off the excess water. Turn around. There you have it, friends. That's it for the wash day routine. From here, we'll just go ahead and put in our leave-in conditioner and certain products before styling. But that is for another video. Check out our natural hair tutorials in our playlist for toddlers and for adults. Same methods can be used on both, and I do have both videos in our playlist, so go ahead and check those out. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or any feedback, we love to hear from you. So go ahead and drop those in the comments and check out our descriptions. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.